I dropped my guitar for this one. This better be good.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Grenville County in northeast Illinois, western Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southwestern Will County in northeast Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 7:42 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated
Shut the fuck up.
and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The first storm was located near Odell. The other was near Braceville. Both were moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Diamond, Braidwood, and Braceville around 7:55 p.m. Wilmington around 8:20 p.m. Elwood around 8:30 p.m. Lakewood Shores and Manhattan around 8:45 p.m. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Completely different station, completely two different alerts, but I think I'm going to count this as a doubleheader.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Gary to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 9:45 p.m. At 7:42 p.m. Doppler
Jesus Christ!
From 28 nautical miles northeast of Wilmette Harbor to 18 nautical miles south of Gary, moving east to 10 knots. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio.